Okay, just finished installing a grass flap on this bad boy Rebel. This one has a 61-inch deck. Here's the foot pedal arrangement. Bolts over on this side. The pedal itself bolts to the existing bolts on the bearings for the deck lift assist. Then the cable routing, straightforward, comes over here, runs inside down between the edge here, once in here, runs across here. We've got a zip tie, a magnetic zip tie here that holds this in place. The cable then runs on over to the grass flap itself. One of the nice features of the foot pedal over on this side is that you can open this foot pan without any trouble. Let that close back down. Get over here, we've got the grass flap itself. Grass flap bolts on with a no drill mount. So this plate here is the no drill mount. It's got a couple of bolt holes that match up to the existing holes on the deck itself. Then a couple spacers here to space it up, and you mount the grass flap on. Install the plastic deflector plate. Goes on here, and then the deflector angle goes here, sandwiches in between the plastic blocker plate and the hinge plate. Keeps grass from blowing up when you just barely crack it open, knocks that down. On the Rebel, you got a couple options as how you manage the rear end of this discharge opening. You can leave it straight just like it is and let it extend out. You can cut it off shorter, no problem at all there. Or if you really want to, you can actually heat this and form it around this corner. So pretty simple, straightforward operation. The operation is same as always. Push and release on the pedal to get it open.